Welcome to my channel. This channel is about Roatan Honduras. If that's something you're into, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Back here with another video. It's kind of rough outside right now, so you can see. A little choppy, but that ain't stopping us. We're still on the move. We about to hit these waves, or they gonna hit us. Something gonna happen, but we going through them, you know. So don't stop on us here. She got a diesel, bro? She was cooking all good yesterday, though. She burn it then? Gas done then?
Then the door get broke down. Now Byron gonna get on the boat. You know? Lion boy this. Lion boy them the boy. Alright. Santa Alicia. Dealing with Santa Elena here, right? Hey! Give me help, man.
What are your MVP right now?
I can't fix that.
Brittany, hold on, is probably the butter right now.
I'm not showing you hook. You know, keep the camera on.
You're not too poor, Brittany.
Too long, bro. Tell you. You want another one? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're back at the spot. About to get crazy. This shit wet up. I know what time it is. Cooking time. God, right. You the one? Wash it up with that, bro. Check the vibes. Last thing is open. This time we got table. Jibble on the legs. 5 minute water or something. You got juice out too, sir? What it is? Alright.
Got Boogie, the real fireman here. You know, I got bun down today. All this bun, bro. All this bun. Sing, walk, different talk. We are here on the spot yet again with another one. If you're new to the channel, this channel is about Roatan Honduras. Let me wipe my eyes. I got coal in my eye. If you're new to the channel, this channel is about Roatan Honduras. If that's something you're into, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Y'all should be sick of hearing that right now. But this place, I can never get enough of this. Y'all know how it is. Can never get enough of this. Let's take a look around. Let me make sure to wipe the camera. Take a look around real good. Can't get enough of this. Water crystal clear. Flat. Jet ski season. Jet ski. Get one of them jet ski, okay? No traffic. See that? No traffic jam, okay? Little baby sprat them up there. See if I can. No, I can't go that far in the water. I got some stuff in my pocket, equipment. But yeah, y'all know what it is. Just giving y'all a tour. If you already seen this place, then you already know how it looks. If you ain't seen it, then it's your first time. Everything we do here is all original. It's not planned. The only plan is to catch and cook, you know? That's the only plan we got in mind. If we don't catch, well, we're gonna get coconut or something, because we got my chat, so either way, something gonna get done. It's hot out here though. Oh, sweating. That's not water, that's sweat. Sweat, sweat. And this is how you do it? Chip conchs. But that's how you do the conchs thing right there. Cut there, knife inside, and you slide up like butter. I'm glad to know. Easy. Lobster right here, you see that? Little baby size, but you know, still moving too. Not flipping though. We got enough life in him to flip. And put him on the grill. He on sizzle. And put conchs on the grill too, huh? So we're having grilled conchs, grilled lobster with a little bit of lime.
Going to fry out some fish now. A little bit of diamond, no? Give this guy a quick little 6 low. Stay tuned.
See blazing. Woo, 2 frying pan. Fireman, chef, everything. What you call that? All man? What you say? Too much man, how did I say? What did I say though? Plenty man. Plenty man. Plenty man here, all started, see? Anything you need done.
The best.
Alright guys, this right here is fried conchs. See it? Fried conchs. Good fried too.
I don't know who got my piece.
Lobster here. Little baby.
roasted now on the grill. Good. Alright, we out.
Baby girl, let the ice break. Give you all what your life is. I know what I say. Give me